Important and thoughtful parents. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respected teachers, dear parents, and my beloved brother in Islam. Today I feel honored of speak a few words about the important and thoughtful parents in Islam. They are audience. Parents are the greatest gift from Allah. They love us from we are even from our mother. Teresa from 9 months old. Your pain and sacrifice have come from us, our Father, work hard every day to provide us food, clothes, and good life. In the Holy Quran, Allah, and be kind to your parents. Surah Al-Isra 23. This means we must always respect, obey, and be gentle to our parents. Even a small word of disrespect like is not always in Islam. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Paradise lies under the feet of the mother." And he also said, "The father is the middle gate of paradise. They are brothers. If we want success in this world and the hereafter, we must serve our parents with love, respect, and kindness. May Allah give us the ability to respect and serve our parents. Always, Amin. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
মাশাআল্লাহ, মারহাবা। মাশাআল্লাহ, মারহাবা। বড়